Greetings, dear friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you today? Yes, there's a lot going on in our world at the moment. A lot going on in our world at the moment. And the meditation I want to offer today is a meditation for hope, a meditation for strength, and a meditation for peace. So I invite you to find a comfortable position, one where you feel safe, supported, and you can just rest a while, undisturbed and at peace. And if right now that feels like a faraway dream, then be present, honour where you are, be present, honour where you are, and just allow your mind and your body to find a sense of ease. If you could be comfortable, if you were safe, where do you think you'll be? And then in that position, in that place, take a moment to just make adjustments so you can find an even greater and even deeper sense of ease and peace in the body. You may want to sway the body side to side, or just stretch the arms and wiggle the toes. Lengthen through the front of the body, down the back of the body. Get a sense of tucking the chin in. We're just helping the body to become aligned to your higher good. And from this space, I invite you to take a moment to close your eyes if you wish, or have a soft gaze, and just start to, I'll use the expression, tune into the rhythm of your breath. So just start to notice how you're breathing. Not changing the rate of breath. We're just bringing that sense of curiosity, observing how you're breathing. Notice the in-breath and notice the out-breath. And just see if you can get a sense of whether the out-breath is longer than the in-breath. Or whether you get a sense that you're breathing the same rate in and the same rate out. And as you start to observe how you're breathing, see if you can make a conscious effort to extend the exhale, just a wee bit, not much. Just see if you can make a conscious effort to extend the exhale. And allow the in-breath to naturally flow in on its own accord. So let's go for a very long exhalation. And a soft and gentle inhale breath. And as you stay connected with your breath, take a moment to recall a time when you felt strong. A time when you felt you made a difference. Maybe you helped someone get on and off the bus. Maybe you listened to someone. You maybe gave someone a gift, an unexpected gift, a flower, a stone. Or maybe you can even recall a time when someone did something kind and loving for you. So let's just stay a few more moments in that space of recalling the times we gave or did a loving act and the times we received a loving act. Notice what you notice, notice what you feel, what you said, what was going on. And really sit in that power. And then bring to mind a time where you felt hope. A time when something turned out better than you expected. You passed the exam. You got an unexpected bonus. Maybe a friend who you'd fallen out with, you thought you'd never contact again, reached out and said, "Hello, how are you?" So just take a moment to recall a moment of hope when something unexpected, something good happened in your life. And how did that make you feel? Can you recall the feelings when that unexpected act, deed happened? Lean into the feelings, whatever comes up, just lean and really sit with those feelings. Good, bad or uncomfortable. Just recall how you felt at that unexpected sign of hope. Really allow that feeling to flood your body from head to toes, filling you up, letting you know that hope is still alive. Bad things happen, yet good things do also happen. And then just turn your attention back to the time when you received that kind and loving act, or you gave a kind and loving act, and really amplify that feeling. So we've got that feeling of that unexpected bonus, that surprise, that gift, and we're connecting it to that essence, that feeling of receiving a kind act or doing a kind and loving act. And how do you feel? What emotions, what feelings, what sensations are happening as you connect that hope and that love? Where do you feel it in your body? And then bring those feelings into your hands. Wrap your arms around your body. Give yourself a hug. Draw the strength from the ancestors, the strength from your loved ones, the strength from all the good and kind things which has happened to you in your life. Even if it's just one thing that you can recall, just draw, even this meditation is that one thing that you can think of that's good in your life. Take it. Fill yourself up. Nourish your body. Love yourself. Big up yourself. Respect yourself. And just know that in this moment of time, you are strong. You are standing in your power. You are creating the change you wish to see in the world. You are being the change. You are being a beacon of hope, of love, of light for all to see. Just know that your actions, no matter how small they may appear to you, to another soul, that's their world. You've given hope, you showed strength, you've demonstrated commitment to the change. By showing up, by giving yourself time, space and energy, you are showing the universe that you're ready. You're ready to take a stand. You're ready to guide, to nurture, to support your team, your loved ones, your families, and yourself to be the best version of yourself. Really breathe in that energy. Feel your soul, feel your heart. And let it go. Allow your feelings of love, of hope, of strength and power to flow out into the world. And in do so, you create the channel, the light, the path for others to stand and stand in their truth. Well done. And just be still a bit longer if you can. Allowing your breath, allowing your energy to come back home, to return home to your heart. And then in your own time, gently come back to the space. Be aware of your hands resting on the body. Be aware of the body resting on the surface, the bed, the chair, the floor, the cushion. And then in your own time, just allow your eyes to softly flutter open, to allow your ears to engage the sounds of the room as you come back to the present, grounded moment. Well done. Ooh, stroke down your arms. Bring your hands together to your heart center. Lower the head down to the heart center. Well done. Wow, well done, dear friend. Well done. Pat on the back. Well done. High five. Fist bumps. Excellent work. Well done. Well done. So, anytime you feel your energy being pulled away from your center, you feel distracted, you feel unsure what's going on, take a moment to come back, find this meditation, listen to your breath, recall the moments of joy, peace and strength, and come back home. Well done. So, Let me know in the comments below how you feel, what came up for you during this practice. Be kind, be loving, be gentle with yourself and with others. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Well done.